Hey guys, Eli here, and today I'm doing a slime video. Eli, it's such a dead trend. I thought you made comedy videos. You're such a sellout. Well, this is a comedy slime video. No, it isn't. It's just a slime video. And it's such a dead trend. Well, I don't care, because this is 10 worst uses for slime. Aw, man, I need butter for my bread. Better use some slime. Time to taste test. This is some good bread. Aw, man, I want to hang up this picture, but I don't have anything to hang it up with. Better use some slime. Wait, it works? That wasn't in the script.
Group projects are the best types of projects because they are a project that you do in a group.
Well, it's still better than most reaction channels. Oh man, the school dance is coming up, and I know that no one likes me, but you know, better shave than sorry, I always say. Like, I'll get this shaving cream on me, okay, and then just, ow, what happened? Time to get an epic drone shot. Fly, drone, fly! Ew, now it has stuff in it. Let's look at my arm for some reason. Ew, it's so dry. Maybe I should use some slime as lotion. Oh yes, rub that all over my arm. Oh yeah. It can also rip off arm hairs if you pull it fast enough. I want to get water, but I'm too lazy to get a cup. Maybe I could just use some slime. It's on my hand. It also makes the slime extra slimy. Aw, man, I need a sock, but I'm too lazy to, you know, actually use slime. So, let's use it as a sock. Oh yeah, time to barbecue something. How about some slime? And this is why we always eat cereal. Wait a second, I didn't write that. Who put that in the script? Me, because you're such a sellout, Eli. It's such a dead trend. Well, I just want to make a... Well, Eli, what would the 10th one be anyway? I'll show you. Here, look at this slime. That's such a dead trend. Oh, that triggers me. Take this. Eli, you're being such a sellout. What a lame video idea. You know what? Well, that was a pretty great video for such a dead trend.